Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends in Brawl Stars. You can easily add friends with Brawl Stars in just a couple of minutes. First of all, launch open the Brawl Stars application and tap on the Friends button on the right hand side of the screen. This will open up the Friends tab where you need to tap on the Add Friends button at the bottom left in green. Now you have two options that you can add friends with. If you want to scan your friend's QR code and add them as your friend, simply tap on Scan QR code and use your device's camera to scan the QR code of your friends. You can also add your friends by entering the player ID number. Tap on Add with Player ID if you want to do so and then type in your friend's player ID in the text box. After typing down the name, click on Add Friend. And if there is a person that matches your player ID, they'll be shown on the screen. Tap on Confirm and then you will be able to send the friend request to the player. Once your friend accepts your friend request, you and your friend will be able to connect with each other through Brawl Stars. You will then be able to see the friend inside the Friends tab if they accept your invitation. You can also directly invite people to the game by sharing the invite link. Tap on the Share Invite button on the left-hand corner and directly select a friend from your device's contact list or choose any messaging application and select a contact you want to invite to Brawl Stars. Select a friend by choosing them from the list and tap on Next at the bottom right. After you do that, you will be able to see the automated invitation link created in your friend's messaging thread. Simply send the message and you will then be able to invite the friend to Brawl Stars. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.